In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Figma file into a PSD file, all in under 5 minutes. Whether you're a designer transitioning between platforms or just need to make your designs more versatile, this guide will help you do that efficiently. First, let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Figma's website. Figma is a robust and collaborative interface design tool that many designers use for its flexibility and integration capabilities. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll see an option to sign up. But for those who already have an account, simply click on the login button, enter your credentials, and you'll be ready to proceed. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Figma homepage. Here, you can access all your projects and files. Look for the project that contains the design you wish to convert, and click on it to open. Inside your project, go to the Design tab. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a variety of tools and options, but today we're focusing on exporting your design. Look for the menu option labeled Export. Clicking on this will allow you to configure the settings for exporting your files. Next, you need to select the file format. Since our goal is to convert this Figma file into a format that's compatible with Photoshop, you'll want to choose SVG as your export option. SVG is a versatile format that retains the vector quality, which is essential for creating a flawless PSD conversion later. Once you've selected SVG, hit the Export button. This will save your design elements locally as an SVG file. Exporting an SVG is a crucial step because it ensures that the vectors, lines, and other design elements remain intact when you import them into another program. With your SVG file ready, the next step involves converting this SVG format to a PSD format using a third-party conversion tool or software that supports this kind of format change. There are several online converters available or graphic design software that can open SVG files and save them as PSD. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've effectively converted a Figma file to a PSD file. This process is not only quick, but also ensures that your design retains its quality and integrity throughout the conversion. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly converted design files.